Hello and welcome to Greetingstar. I'm so glad you could join me today. I'm so glad you're here today. I'm sharing with you another way, a couple more ways to embellish commercial greeting cards. Now these are the DaySpring Christmas cards in a moment, the J1479. I'll leave a link to them down below, and right now DaySpring is doing a special until I think Monday, October, when is it? 11th? Monday, October 11th, I think. For free shipping if you use the code Christmas. So don't forget to give that a look. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be using this light board and a stylus to dry emboss these stars onto my card. Now this is a great way to add some personal touches to a pre-made card, and it's also a great time saver. So you can see here this card has sort of a diagonal layout, so I kind of want to I don't want to work against that, so I'm just going with it. So I've decided to put the stars there down towards the bottom, and then I'll put them up at the top a little bit later. So I'm using my stylus and light board here to be able to see these stars, so I can just press gently. Be careful not to press hard because you don't want to rip the card. So just have some fun doing this. I love it. I think it's a neat way to add those personal touches to a pre-made card, and again, as I've said before, it's a great time saver. It's also great for people who are new to this hobby if they're a little intimidated by starting out from scratch. So it's just a great way to get somebody interested in this paper crafting hobby. It's such a fun and wonderful hobby, and I love to share it with everyone. Okay, so I have added these here, but I think it needs a little bit more sort of right in the middle. But you can see I am staying with that diagonal flow. So here I am just going to add some more right in the middle. So that way the stars kind of cascade from the top left to the bottom right. This was a lot of fun, guys, and I think it's a really relaxing way to enjoy this hobby as well. If you don't have the patience for it, then maybe you can try using an embossing folder. But again, the embossing folder would, for this card, it's a rather large card, so you'd have to have like a 6x6 embossing folder. You might be able to use this technique with an embossing folder. I didn't try that, so that's something you can give it a try if you'd like. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this die cut from not Hero Arts. This is a die from Echo Park. And this is a beautiful little nativity, and I'm just adding some Wink of Stella that adds some shine and some glitter. Jesus is the light of the world, so I think that's a great way to just make the card a little more attractive. And then I decided too that it needed a little bit more shading. Now if you want, you could just leave it just like that, but I decided to take some of my alcohol markers. This is the TB4, and I'm just adding that shading on both sides so it looks like the light's hitting it, coming right down the middle so that it matches the card. And I think that looks beautiful. The color just matched perfectly. So that's wonderful. Now I'm not sure these Spectrum Noir markers are still available. I think you can buy some of the sets on Amazon, not all of the colors. I purchased this from HSN a long time ago. But that's it for my techniques today. I hope you had fun and enjoyed watching them, and I hope it gave you some ideas. And if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, a like, and if you would, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know when my videos come out. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.